Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a happy crafter shop share for you guys. I couldn't wait to bust into my kit and create with it. So I'm gonna do some project shares and then we're gonna do a tutorial. But before we get into all that, I did do an unboxing, guys, and I was sent the wrong die. But I'm excited about that because now I'm gonna get, I wanted both these dies, and so now I have both. She's gonna be sending the right one that comes with my kit. You do not get this, it is called the A2 Coffee Friends die set. Now, there's a kit, and then you can also buy this die set separately, okay, on happycraftershop.com. Use code Poochie10 to save 10% off. So the kit that she sent me, it actually comes with a pumpkin album, and she'll be sending that this week, guys, so I'll be able to show it to you once I get it. But you can buy this one separately, okay? It's not going to come with the kit. It's going to come with the pumpkin one, but you can still buy these dies separately, okay? And I just went ahead and cut out, I didn't cut out the base yet, but I just went ahead and cut this part out. And this is how I'm going to probably put it on a card. It is so cute, guys. So it cuts out the word friends. Look at how pretty the font is. You get these cute little cups, the little detail on the inside of the cup. And then you get the shadow piece, which backs it, okay? So you glue everything on there, and I think it's so adorable. So you guys can, if you ordered the kit for the fall kit, you can buy this separately, okay? To get this die set, because it's really cute. I'm gonna still play with it. But let me give you my project share. So like I said, I couldn't wait to bust into the kit and play with it. I mainly used this here that comes in the kit. And guys, I'm so sad that I only have one of these pumpkins left. These colors are so pretty. I really enjoyed using these three right here. These are the ones that I mainly used, and they are gorgeous. I usually wouldn't pick up stuff like this, these colors, because you know I'm a pastel girl, but I had a lot of fun playing with them, guys. I also use these charms. They're beautiful, and I'm so sad that I only have 3 left. I'm gonna hoard these. I didn't get a chance to use these pumpkins yet, but I did use the green one. And then I used one of the little carriages. They're so adorable, okay? So let me show you guys my projects. I used the Ready to Bead Dangle, and it comes with the clasp, this chain, and then this acrylic piece on the bottom, okay? And so I just wrapped a bunch of beads, and I just put this together, guys. I love the way it came out. Of course, you know, I had to add my pink to it. And I just think it came out so gorgeous, you guys. Look at these beautiful beads. These are some from my stash. These are the ones that are in her kit. The orange ones are from her kit. And then, of course, these leaves. They're so beautiful. I love the way they hang. So I created this charm here. And these are so fun to play with, guys. I have a lot of her ready-to-be dangles in my stash. And they're just really cute. I love this one right here in particular. Check her site. You may be able to buy some of these and add to your order, or just buy them singly, okay? So I made that dangle. I went dangle crazy. I told you guys, I've been like thirsty to make some dangles. I haven't made some in so long. So then I made this little chunky charm as well. It's so cute, you guys. So I used the pumpkin bead here. And I added a little bow, an orange bow from my stash. And I love the way it came out. My daughter, Lexi, you know, my kids, they don't pay attention to my crafts. But my daughter saw this and she's like, Mommy, I want one. And I was really surprised. There goes a little carriage right there. So adorable. There goes those beads. I just added some pink cracked beads from my stash. They're probably from Lisa as well. And then from other, you know, kits that she sent. And then the orange and the green, like that orange and that green is so pretty. And then grows another one of those leaves. I'm obsessed with this leaf, guys. It is so beautiful. I love the way these came out. So you can hang this on any project. I put a little lobster clasp on there so you can attach it to anything. You can just attach it to a jump ring and something. You can use this as a like little purse charm, a keychain. I really have been wanting to make phone charms. So this is ready to go on anything, any project. And I love the way, I'm so sad I only have one more pumpkin bead left. So I made that. And then I made this one. I used a little green. Now green is usually not my thing. So I tried to, you know, I tried to do my thing with it, but I think it still came out cute. If I have a project that has green, this is gonna dangle nicely on it, okay? You guys gotta tell me what you think about these projects. And then the last one that I made is this phone charm here. Look at how adorable, you guys. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So, you know, I just had to add pink to it. Like, this is the one that came with the one, and it is so cute. I wish I had more of these. This pumpkin is adorable. Look at the details in the charm. So cute. So this is what I'm gonna make with you guys today on this video. So let me know what you guys think about my projects. I love the way each of them came out. Oh my God, it's so cute. Especially these two, I'm in love with it. I am in love. All right, so let's move these to the side and let's get started. So what you're gonna need for this project is an eye pin, okay? Now, if you're new to beading or just all this in general, this is an eye pin. An eye pin is basically a wire that has like a little loop on the bottom, okay? Which is like essentially an eye, okay? So we're gonna need one of those. We are gonna need a charm. So let's go ahead. I didn't think the charm through. I wish I had another one of these, you guys. I wanna use another one of these. Let me see. Yeah, we're just gonna use the pumpkin one. We're gonna use that one. Let's go for it. And then you're gonna grab your beads. So we are gonna grab her kit. And we are just gonna grab some beads. Let's move some of this to the side. And we are gonna grab a bow. These bow beads are from my stash. So let me grab one. Let's see. What if we do yellow? I'm gonna grab the yellow. I'm gonna grab this orange one. And I'm gonna grab a pink one and see which one I want to use. Okay, we'll choose between those. Okay, and then you're gonna need some of these daisy spacers. These in particular, they're a little bit thick. They are from Hobby Lobby in the kids section. Okay, and you get a huge bag of it. I dumped a lot of this bag into different compartments for when I'm beading, and I still have a ton left over. Okay, so you're gonna need that, and let's start beading, you guys. Okay, so you're just gonna grab your eye pin, and we're gonna simply place a daisy spacer and a bead. So let's go with the green one. These are so pretty. We'll go with the green. And then we're gonna do another daisy spacer. And then I need a pink. Should we use this solid pink? I think we will. We'll use this one on this. And I like the way that they're two different sizes. So yeah, I like that. We're gonna do another daisy spacer. And then we're gonna add one of the orange ones. Okay. Now on these bows, since they have a tail, they kind of leave a gap. And so I'm gonna fill that gap with another smaller bead from my stash. Okay. Just like that. That's what it's gonna look like so far. And then we're gonna pick our top. Let's see. Kinda wanna use the yellow. Should we go with the pink? I know you guys have tons of bow beads in your stash. All right, we're just gonna go with the pink. So you're gonna place it like that. And then you're gonna have some wire left over. You're gonna take some round nose pliers, put it at the very tip because there's not a lot of wire here. And we are gonna hold these beads down and roll. You're just gonna keep rolling until you can't anymore. Okay, and that's gonna create our little loop here, okay? And then you're gonna take a jump ring. Here goes one. And we're gonna attach this to the bottom, okay? So you wanna use two tools, pliers, 2 pliers preferably, but I'm gonna use these pliers and we're gonna loop this on here. So we're just connecting these. And we're gonna take our other tool to grab the other side and close this. You wanna make sure you close it good, guys. You don't wanna have not even the tiniest little gap because it will fall off, okay? And there goes your charm, you guys. And that is it. Super simple, super easy. Bust out your stash. I know you guys got tons of beads that you can use for this, tons of charms. And then you can just put a lobster clasp on there. You can put another jump ring and just hang it to whatever kind of project you want, okay? So that is it. I want to make this video short, sweet, and simple. I hope that you guys found some inspiration from this video. I hope that you grabbed the fall kit. It's really cute, guys. I had so much fun. I wanted to do one of these on live with you guys, but they just take too much time and I don't want to make the video too long, okay? But I love the way these came out. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I'm actually going to be having some of these for sale. If you are interested, make sure that you're following me on Instagram because it's always like spur of the moment type of things. I love the way this came out. All right, so that's it again for this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite from these. And I hope that you guys, again, found this tutorial to be easy and you can make your own. Bye, everyone.